D8430 Spot Blender and D8731 Aerosol Spot Blender application. Before undertaking any work, please ensure you have the appropriate PPE for the task. D8430 Spot Blender and D8371 Aerosol Spot Blender, when used correctly, offer an easy and simple fade-out process for all PPG's UHS clear coat range. They are formulated for easy application and have excellent overspray wetting properties, offering an effective glossy and workable finish to the fade-out repair. Thorough preparation of the area to be blended is essential. Use P2000 blend and finish disc with a lubricant such as Spirit Wipe or Body Shine liquid. A good technique is required when using the aerosol spot blender, ensuring the can is shaken vigorously before each use and is inverted and the nozzle cleared of product after every use. Finish the clear coat blend to a hard edge, not arcing the gun. This reduces overspray significantly. D8731 Aerosol Spot Blender is used from a distance of 9 to 12 inches and applied in 1 to 2 light coats using an arcing motion. D8430 Spot Blender is via a gun pot, again from a distance of 9 to 12 inches, and applied in 1 to 2 light coats. Only polish the blend when it's fully cured and without creating excessive heat, using a good quality compound and mop head. This greatly reduces any risk of burning back or breaking through the blend edge.